In God peace we stand together. Save Nigeria from the hand of the Fulanis and the Britain, because Nigeria always have problem and crisis every 30 years. Since 1873, when they used Fulani and the British soldiers to send the Nana of Shekiri out to Gold Coast. In 1903, they used the same Fulani and the British army to take over from the Gombe, the original owner of the North. In 1933, they used the same Fulani and also the British army to take over from the South. In 1963, the Northern Territory and the Southern Territory worked hand in hand and formed unitarianism system of government within themselves and pushed the Fulani and the British out and declared Republic of Nigeria. In 1993, the British and the Fulanis annulled the election of Abiola. In 2023, we should stay awake and watch and build our towers to avoid the British and the Fulanis not to involve in our election. I hereby remind you that we need the peace in our country. That is why, instead of having a peace and unity, have a peace house, they told us Aso Rock. It was the work of the British. We have a lot of things to expose that we can use it to return our power from the Fulanis. Now, I'm going to tell you something today. This election, we need to sit down that Fulani will not leave and Fulani will take over again. It is mandatory to work and let us form the unity from the Gombe people, Gombadian people, the Yorubas, the Igbos, and the Niger Delta. Form the Unitarianism to unite and have a one Unitarianism system of government and cancel the British Constitution that have been amended since 1955.